Your mind is a garden, and every single day you decide what grows in it. Will you let weeds of negativity take over, or will you plant seeds of positivity that transform your life? Think about it. What's been growing in your garden lately? Doubt, fear, self-criticism, or hope, gratitude, and possibility? Because the truth is, your thoughts shape your world. Negativity is like a weed. It shows up uninvited. You don't plan for it, but suddenly there it is. Thoughts like, I'm not good enough. I always fail. What's the point? And here's the problem. Weeds don't just sit quietly. If you leave them alone, they spread. They choke out the good, block the sunlight, and make it harder for anything positive to grow. But here's the good news. Weeds may be stubborn, but they're not permanent. With awareness and effort, you can pull them out one by one. Here's the truth. You are the gardener of your own mind. Nobody else decides what grows there, only you. Yes, other people may throw seeds your way, some positive, some negative, but you choose which ones to water. You choose what takes root. And when you take ownership of your inner garden, you reclaim your power. The first step is awareness. You can't pull a weed you refuse to see, so start noticing your thoughts. Catch yourself in those moments when you say, I'll never be successful, or I'm not worthy of love, or I can't change. Don't judge yourself for having them. Weeds are natural. Just acknowledge them. Awareness is the flashlight that lets you see what needs clearing. Once you've identified the weeds, it's time to replace them with seeds of positivity. Let's make it simple. A seed could be an affirmation. I am growing. I am learning. I am enough. A thought of gratitude. I'm thankful for this moment, for the people who support me. A vision. Picturing the version of yourself you want to grow into. Every time you replace a weed with a seed, you're changing the soil of your mind. You're creating fertile ground where joy, confidence, and peace can flourish. Here's the secret most people miss. Seeds don't grow overnight. You don't plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. Consistency is everything. That's how gardens flourish. Water your seeds daily with habits like gratitude journaling, writing down 3 things you're thankful for each morning. Affirmations, speaking words of encouragement over yourself even when it feels silly. Surrounding yourself with positive people, the sunlight of your environment matters. And remember, even if you don't see instant results, roots are growing beneath the surface. Trust the process. Remember, gardens don't flourish overnight, but with patience and care, they always grow. So today, start small. Pull 1 weed of negativity. Plant 1 seed of positivity. Water it tomorrow, and the day after that. Because over time, those seeds will grow into confidence, into joy, into a flourishing inner landscape. Your future depends on the garden you grow today. So start now. Weed out the negativity. Plant your future.